Flack math! Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math!
We are going to talk about the trichotomy axiom.
All right, that's enough math for today.
Yeah. And it sounds confusing, but really it's probably the most simple concept of the year.
The cat.
It's just got a fancy name. So, trichotomy axiom.
Triangle?
Triangle?
Hey, what did I get on my test?
I haven't even started my test or my practice test.
When you turn it in today, you think I'm going to grade it today?
No, I was just
I'm gonna use a free process.
I was just hoping you would give me a random answer.
Okay, trichotomy axiom is this. One number is either equal to another number, greater than that number, or less than that number.
Yeah, that's really hard.
What's this?
That's it.
That's not simple. Stop it.
So basically, you've got these three symbols: less than, equal to, or greater than.
You got
So,
the alligator mouth and the
Take
law.
the numbers 5 and 9. 5 is less than 9. It's not equal to 9. It's not greater than 9. It can only be one of those. Okay? Now we have symbols like less than or equal to. That's when we don't actually know the numbers, right? We don't know the numbers. Like we can say x is less than or equal to 9. So it could be 9, it could be 8, it could be 7, it could be 8.5, whatever. But these are the only three options. Okay? So when I say this, 4 is not less than 1. Is that true? Is that a true statement?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because it isn't. It's not less than 1. What about this? 4, this symbol, 2 plus 6. Is this true or false?
True. True.
True, because 4 does not equal, that's what that symbol means, 2 plus 6, which is 8. Okay, this is true. So this is another inequality symbol that we use. We use this inequality. When you put a line through an inequality symbol, that just means a negated inequality symbol. Okay? Negated means opposite of what we just crossed out. Okay? So basically, here's the whole point of that. So we could say, I want you to graph x is not less than 2. So on a number line, here's 2. How do you think we would graph that? X is not less than 2.
Would be positive.
Yeah. Not positive, but greater than. Yeah, but what else could it be?
Equal to.
Yeah, look, the only thing that we're getting rid of is this. So it could be these two. There's a symbol for both of those. It's a greater than with a line under it. So if it's not that, you're only eliminating one out of the trichotomy axiom. Only one out of the three is negated. So the other thing is basically this. X is greater than or equal to 2. Did you have a question?
You made a mistake on the board.
Did I?
Yes, you put a, instead of a, the quality thing, with the sideways V thing, the slash through it, you put a 4 instead.
Yeah.
Where? There?
All right.
Between the X
Oh,
and
it
the
looks
2.
like it looks like a 4, huh?
Between
Looks
the
like
X
a
and
weird
the
4. Okay. So does this make sense?
No,
Not really.
Yes.
It doesn't make sense.
no.
So if I said this, Austin is not older than Ben.
That's not true.
So do you guys know each other's birthdays?
Yeah, no.
Well, if you don't, okay, then hold on.
His is somewhere in
So if the only thing I said is Austin is not older than Ben, then there's two options. Either Austin is the same age as Ben, or he's younger than Ben, right?
We're both wrong.
he is currently older than me.
Sometimes it's easier to say what it's not. Okay. So,
His birthday in like January.
November.
guys, this is just reversing a statement. If I'm not older than you, then I'm younger than you. If I'm not younger than you, then I'm older than you. Okay? So if I don't,
Emerson's still 13.
okay? So basically the first step you could do before you graph it is to rewrite this. Instead of x is not less than 2, then rewrite it. X is greater than or equal to 2. So the way you can rewrite it, if you write these three symbols out on your piece of paper, and all you're doing is negating that, then this is what you're left with. You know how to write that symbol, equal to or greater than. That's a greater than symbol with a line under it. And you know how to graph it. Fill it in and shade to the right, and you're done. Okay, let's try another one. Here's example 2. I want you to graph x, this symbol, negative 1. See if you can graph that.
So you just do that and then boom.
And
No, what if
you
you,
just go to the left.
You draw open circle and then
I
go to the
believe
left.
you go to the left.
Okay, so that's a lot to try to figure out in your head. What would you do first? Instead of graphing it,
Try
what
to
would,
get rid of the.
yeah, what's a better way to write x is not greater than or equal to negative 1?
X is less than.
Yeah, and it's only that, because here's what you're doing. You're covering up this, and you're covering up this, so the only thing you're left with is this guy. So that's the only symbol. X is less than negative 1. Well, you know how to do that. Open circle, shade to the left,
I actually got it
Good
right.
job.
Let's go.
right?
Is that every problem's up?
It should be, because you're the only one who did it. There you go.
I really got the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to do, let's do one more and then we'll go to 90. It's real easy today, guys.
Is it with problem set?
Your problem's up?
So you now have 11 points. So you get 2 more, you have 2 free problem sets you could use.
Let's go.
Okay, so example 3, here we go. Ready?
Wait. Is this a free problem set?
So here's what I want you to do. I want you to give me the inequality and the negated inequality for what I'm going to graph. So this is going backwards.
Wait 1 second. Gotta get out the paper.
I gotta go to my video. Did I be worried about the little kids outside?
No, they're just gonna eat us all.
Not if we eat them first.
That's inspirational.
I'm very inspired.
Okay, so I want you to write an inequality and a negated inequality for this. This is something that you might see on your test, the last test that you take.
Fun, fun, fun.
Only 1 test left.
Oh, wow.
Because you're, well, you have the one that's due tonight.
We have another one in May.
Mr. Flack, is this right?
Just make sure it's not on the 16th. Just make sure.
That's right, good job.
Oh my gosh, what a try hard.
First one.
Okay, well, what's the normal inequality? Nathan, how would I say this? X is
Greater than or less than.
Greater than or equal to.
greater than or equal to, because you filled it in, -7, okay? All right, so what's the negated? What is it not? If it
Not
could
less
be
than.
this or this, the only thing that it's not is that, so just X less than not -7. So X is not less than -7.
Uh-huh.
Do I
Okay?
get free coffee?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Shut up, Ben.
You secure the bag.
Got the bread.
Okay, how's this feel? Is this doable?
Yes.
All right, let's move on to 90. Good job, guys.
Oh.
I feel so smart.
I have to do my test tonight.
I'm just gonna go home.
I'm using the free on my problems, so I just want to practice test my test.
You go to the bathroom.
I did my test last night.
Yep. All right, lesson 90.
Lucky I practice.
So last time we talked about algebraic phrases. What's an example of an algebraic phrase? Yeah.
A plus B equals C.
Okay, well, that would be a sentence. Why is that a sentence?
7.
Well, yeah, n plus 7 was like an algebraic phrase, like 7 more than a number.
72.
So now we're going to talk about algebraic
72.
sentences. What do sentences have that phrases don't?
They have equal sign. Equal sign.
They have like a verb, which is an equal sign. Okay? So if I said this, let's translate this into math. A number
Minus.
is 3. How do you-
And
N equals.
That's right. A number is 3. Awesome. Okay, it started simple. Here we go. How do you do this? 5 more than a number. See, that was a phrase, but now we're going to put a verb in it. Is 11.
N plus 5.
11 minus 5. 11. Wait, what?
N plus 5 is 11.
N plus 5 is
Are you
11.
serious?
Okay, yes.
May I go to the bathroom and it equals 6?
Okay, good. When Henry gets back, you can go. Okay.
How does it equal 6?
You need to stop trying to. It's not.
All right. So, Nathan, you just started mathing. Don't math. Translate. Okay. 5 more than a number is 11. Don't start subtracting. Translate it first. Get your bearings, and then do it. Now, this is an easy problem. You guys could have figured this out without translating it, whatever. But this is how we learn these concepts, is on easy problems, and then we can apply them to more complicated problems. Okay? How do you say this? Twice a number is 11.
N times 2 equals 11.
All right. So what are the cool kids saying for n times 2?
And stay down.
Not n squared. That's not n times 2.
Nah.
You
Nathan, you are.
What do you mean? You just put the thing and then
Literally
you put the,
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That.
So put the number in front of the variable instead of doing n dot 2. Twice a number is
Mr.
just
Flack,
2n.
It is. Think about it.
It is.
2 times 2 is 4, and 2 squared is 4.
Well, that only works with 2. Try it
No.
with
Yeah,
3.
it's 11 times 2, not 2 times.
Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 squared is 9.
No, we're multiplying.
3 times 2 is 6. That's twice.
my
What's
notebook
twice
and
3? If you were 3 years old and I was twice your age, how old would I be?
6.
Yeah. So you're not squaring 3, you're doubling.
Yo, what the heck, bro?
Okay?
Just a game.
How we doing, guys?
Great.
Good.
All right. We're more than half done. Let's do 2 more examples. Actually, we're just going to do the 3 examples on here and then we'll be done for the day. Okay? Sound good?
And I can use
Mr.
my
Flack,
rest-
can I
use
get a
my
free
rest
problem
day.
set because it's my brother's birthday in 2 days?
Is it real Nick Reed's birthday? Real.
It's actually my dog's birthday in 3 weeks, so
Actually,
I think I should get like 2 free problems.
I think
Is
since my
that
brother's
this
is
is
my
my sister's
birthday
birthday
in like
in like a month?
11 months. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
my
It's also
birthday
your
in, like,
birthday in like 7 months. So
whatever November is.
Yeah. My birthday
Yeah,
is
my
7
birthday's
months.
in like
half a month.
I'm really wanting to do the math right now.
after July.
Your birthday
I
is in like 5 months.
Yeah, my birthday's in like
My mom's
I have to go to
birthday
Wisconsin.
is in
January.
months and months. Can I have
My
to
birthday's
go?
in 4 months.
September, October, November. I hate it. November is.
Man,
before
we're really
December.
cracking Mr. Flack.
I hate
up.
that.
It's when it's like November, December. It's hard to-
Everything is just a blur after July.
What happens after July?
No,
Okay,
it's-
free problem set. If you can get this.
Whoa.
What if I don't
First
get it?
person to get it. It's a free problem set.
What if I don't
Unless
get
you're
it?
Ben.
Wait, it's already up on the.
If you're Ben, then you get it at first, then you get 2 more flag attacks.
Oh, okay.
Hi, my name is Ben.
What?
Dude, why?
Why?
No, what have I got? Ben, pay for me. Henry can look. No, I'm good.
Boom, rejected.
Oh, I know. I know.
What'd you get?
I got this.
If you have to show me. The negative sign.
I'll backspace it. Here we go.
Okay. All right. So let's translate and then solve.
Wait,
Okay.
so I got it right.
You got it right.
Wait, can we get 1 point if we get it?
No. So let's translate and solve. Now, here's what Emerson probably did. I don't think he translated this.
I did not.
I think he just tried to figure it out. And that works now, but he's not smart enough
You're right.
to be able to do this on more complicated problems. Nobody's smart enough, okay? You have to write it down. You have to learn how to write it down on problems you understand, like you know how to do this. You know how to do this. But if you can't figure out how to translate first and then solve, you're going to be in trouble next year, okay? So let's figure that out. So how do you say the sum of something? What does that mean?
Additionated.
Additionate it. So we're going to put an addition sign here somewhere, right? And we know we're going to add 2 things. Okay, what 2 things are we going to add?
S and 42.
42 is one of them.
And 2
And then, yeah, twice a number. How do you say twice a number?
And squared.
Squared.
So remember, twice does not mean squared. It means 2 times n. Okay, squared, if you square 3, it's 9. If you twice 3, it's 6. And then, of course, that equals 128, right? So now this is an equation where we have to get rid of 2 things. We call this a 2-step equation. What do you want to get rid of first?
The 42.
You want to get rid of
Yeah.
the universe.
Get rid of 42, whatever you do to one side, do to the other. So you're left with 2n equals 86. Now what?
Divide 86.
Yeah, so now to get rid of that 2, it's multiplying. So to get rid of something multiplied, you divide it. There it is. Okay?
Good.
Let's put those chairs back.
Ah.
All right, this is not a lounge. This is math class. Okay,
Gonna
and
be a
you're
fun couch.
when you're not sitting up straight and paying attention, you're dumber. It's science. Okay.
No,
So
I'm
be
sorry, this
in.
isn't science class. This
that's
is
just
math.
not true.
Yeah. Well, the science proves that if you're not sitting up straight and paying attention, you're gonna not get half of this. All right.
Half.
So let's try another example. Ready?
Oh, he's cracked.
27. Less than the product of 3 and a number is negative 95. What is the number?
43. No, maybe I should just give up on this one.
Why don't you try it my way instead of your way?
You're correct.
I'm trying to do that, but it just confusing me.
All right, well, You're probably gonna fail next year.
I'm working on it.
If you're not gonna willing to try it, you're gonna fail. This is where you need to get out of your old ways that have worked in kindergarten math up till now. But now you're gonna be in algebra next year. It's gonna get tough. So it's time to start giving a crap.
What's the product?
Ugh.
Oh wait, I didn't do it yet. Oops. That.
One second here. I think we'll make this work. I did copy the problem down,
Oh, okay.
but this will work. That's a 3, not a 5. The board's messed up there. So product of 3 and a number. So 27 less than the product of 3 and a number.
How is that a 5?
So am I wrong?
That's a 3, not a 5.
So am I wrong?
1 second.
Wait, is it this?
No.
Is it this?
No.
Wait, what about me?
No. All right, I'm going to translate it. How do you translate it? How do you say 27 less than something?
Minus 27.
So it's not 27 minus, it's something minus 27.
Yeah.
Okay, this is one of those weird ones. When you see the words less than, it's like a reverse. So 2 less than 10 is not 2 minus 10, it's 10 minus 2. Question?
I got a question.
Yep. And how do you say the product of 3 and a number?
3n.
3n. So 27 less than that product. So it'd be 3n minus 27. And then, of course, it's is negative 95, right? So
Yes.
now what do we do to get n by itself?
Get rid of the 27.
How do you get rid of the 27?
You don't.
27.
Yeah, because it's being subtracted, right? So we add it to get rid of it. Nathan, sit up, please. Add 27, add 27. So 3n equals, what is that?
68.
68, negative 68, remember?
Oh, what is it?
Okay. And then what?
Then you get rid of the
And then you
How do you get rid of the 3?
divide.
Divide by 3. So when you divide by 3, you get, it goes negative 2. So let's just do that. 68 divided by 3 goes 2. And then 3 goes into 8 2 times.
Negative
That's what I
43.
got.
Did you?
Yeah.
You did get that?
Yeah.
Was it negative?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was pretty good too. But I
Negative
didn't think it was right.
22.666666.
Okay. So negative 22 and 2/3 are negative 22.6 repeating. Okay. All right. So
So I get 2 points.
Yeah, you get 2 points.
Nothing so smart.
Let's do one more and we'll call it a day. Okay?
Yes.
I think
No, I think we want more free problem sets, right? I would like to use
I'm
one
good.
of my free problem sets on 92.
Did you really just say you're good on free problems?
Yeah.
I have like 4 points, I think.
I don't know how many I have, but I hope
How
it's
many do you have?
at least.
Well, I can't give you points now because Schoology's stupid.
Oh, yeah.
Was it broken again?
No,
It's been on and off all
Schoology is a
day.
garbage website. Like they didn't just quit.
Yeah, they need because Schoology took away.
Yeah, Schoology too. I'm down.
Okay, you guys ready for the last example?
Yeah.
Not really.
All right, here we go. 4 more than the product of a number and 33 is or equals -95. This is where my -95 came in. What's the number? 4 more than the product of a number and 33 equals -95.
This is a big problem.
I think I got it. Rubbish way.
1 second. So I'm not going to tell you if you got it right. But I do want to see it. Just want to give other people a chance too. Okay. Okay. All right, Ben, walk us through it.
Good.
How do you say 4 more than?
Wait, what? Did I get it right?
Yep.
Oh, no. Okay. +4.
Yep. So something +4, or since it's addition, it doesn't matter if it's reversed or not. So you can just say 4 plus.
And then just do 33 and
Yeah, the product of a number and 33. Remember, the product is multiplying, so a number times 33. What the cool kids are doing is putting the number first, so 33n. Everybody okay with that?
yeah, and then you just do
Yeah, is -95.
and make it.
All right, Austin, take over. What do we do next?
We get rid of the number. Yeah, the 4.
Get rid of the 4 first because it's an easier target. Remember? But what happens when you subtract 4 from an already -95? So negative, what is that, 99?
More negative.
Gets more negative, that's right.
Then
If you want, you can chicken scratch. Now divide by 33. How many times 33 going to 99? 3, and since it's a negative divided by a positive, Your answer is -3.
Let's go.
Sound good?
Yes.
Can you guys handle these? Okay, don't math right away. Some of these are too easy to not, right? Like you can figure it out. But if it says translate and solve and you just solve it, then you get half off. You got to do both things. So your test might say translate and then solve. Make sure you do both of those to get full credit.
And you just translate.
Then you just translate. Like it might say a number is 3. Well, it's not going to say solve that because it's already solved, right? So it might just say translate it. All right, that's all I got.
Black math, give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Black